Cough on sitting down after standing or stand up after sitting down with tears flowing. मेडिसिन AloeSocotrina। होम्योपैथी अपनाएं, बीमारियों से छुटकारा पाएं। The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. मित्रों नमस्कार, आपका मेरे चैनल पर हार्दिक स्वागत है। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल के ऊपर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके। फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी शैल नो व्हेन टू यूज मेडिसिन AloeSocotrina in cough. Dose is suggested at the end. दवा की मात्रा और पोटेंसी अंत में बताई गई है। मेडिसिन AloeSocotrina. Cough with stitches in the right side of larynx, sputa of yellow tenacious mucus. Cough with scratching in throat. Cough when she would sit down after standing or stand up after sitting down. She would cough and tears would flow. Hysteria, spitting blood, congestion to chest, dry cough, bloody expectoration. Front of the chest feels sore on deep inspiration. Weakness of chest, stitches into chest from spleen. Strong beat of heart occasionally. Pain through to left scapula. Pulse accelerated, weak, suppressed after vomiting, slow in afternoon. Ebullitions with anxiety, restlessness. Heaviness of right arm, weakness of wrist joint. Extending down legs, labor-like pains, prolapsus uteri. Painful weakness of legs. Painful weariness in calves. Weakness of ankle joint. Soles of feet pain when walking on pavement. Grade 2 feels as if sprained. Dose medicine AloeSocotrina 6, 12 and 30 potency 1 to 5 drops in 10 ml water on empty stomach or as advised by your doctor. Wishing you a happy and healthy life. Thank you.